figure that out. Careful,
And
because
we
it's
can
hot over
also
here.
see the stove.
We can see so many things. Hi.
Yeah.
Hi there.
I can even see the back of the kitchen.
You can see the back of the kitchen. Hi, Martin and
I can
I
even see the sink
are
and
here.
the floor.
Yeah, and the floor. Martin and I are here to make the Brussels sprouts. We are going to burn them, or in other words, roast them. So we've got a cast iron pan right here, and I'm going to turn the heat on nice and low, and I'm going to add some olive oil. Martin, how many Brussels sprouts should each of us get? How many do we like to have?
3.
Okay, go ahead and count out 3 for each of us. 3 for Mama, 3 for Coco, and 3 for Martin.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Okay, very good. How many do we have total?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Excellent. Okay, so then what I like to do is trim them a bit. So here's a knife. Here's a knife, and what I like to do is cut. Can you cut the bottom off of one?
Yeah.
Pick one and cut the bottom off, and then cut it in half. Put it down on the cutting board so your fingers are safe. There you go. Good job.
Now what should I do?
And then cut it in half.
Okay.
Don't cut your fingers. It's always best if the kids don't cut their fingers, but otherwise it's important to let them use a sharp knife so they learn how to do it. And a sharp knife is much safer.
I did it!
Great job, buddy. Than a dull knife, because a dull knife will miss its mark.
Now what should I do?
Do another one. Here, put these over here so we can get them in our pan.
Yeah. What
And
should
I want to do 3 more, because even though you and Coco will probably eat 3 each, I'm going to eat about 9 all by myself. So I'm going to get a few more, okay?
Okay.
So these are the Brussels sprouts we cut off the big stalk earlier, right, Martin? Did we have fun pulling them off the stalk?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Remember when we did that?
Stay in your group, please.
Remember when we did that?
Say hi.
Remember when we did that?
I do. I remember when we did that earlier today, and people can go look at our other video, right, about getting the Brussels sprouts off the stalk.
Oh yeah, and guess what? Remember when we made that video?
Yeah, I remember.
No, I'm talking to the audience.
Oh, yeah.
Did you remember when we made that video? They said yeah.
They said yeah. Cool. All right, and then I like to do it when I am sauteing my Brussels sprouts. I like to keep it on.
Can't
Okay.
put it.
Your knife is upside down. Here, try again. There you go, and then put it here, and then cut it in half safely. Watch your fingers. Okay, and then when I saute my Brussels sprouts, you know what I like to add, Martin?
What?
Some onion. So I have about a half of a sweet onion here, or a quarter of a sweet onion, and I'm going to slice it. This is the wrong knife, but I'm going to go ahead and get it sliced. And I've got a lot of temperature here. Whoops! A lot of temperature here in my pan.
I can't cut it.
You can't cut it? You want some help? Let's do it together. Here, put your hand on there. There we go. Good job. All right, let's put them in. Can you put them in? Just toss them in. Careful, it's hot. Go over the edge. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. Whoops. Run away. Okay, here. Okay, put them in. Good. One more. You can put those leaves in too. These leaves. Good. So I like having a lot of extra space like this.
Oh, can we add this leaf?
Is it pretty?
Yeah.
Good, put it in. Okay, so I'm going to get the rest of this onion in.
Can I cut some onion
Yeah, you
too?
can cut some onion too. Here, cut it this way. Nope, nope. Cut it this way. There we go. Oh boy. Good enough. Good enough. Let's get a better knife. Should we get a better knife for this job? Okay, jump down for a second. Jump down, and this is a better knife. Jump up.
Now can I use this
Let's do
one?
this together. Yeah, here we go. Good job. Yes, and remember to always curl your fingers back when you hold the onion on this side. Curl your fingers under. There we go. Yep. Here, let's. Oh, your fingers. I am not going to cut your fingers. I pray. Okay, good enough. Good enough. Let's get this in. No onion skin. Can you help me put this in?
Yeah.
Okay.
No onion.
Okay, good.
This is the onion skin.
That's the onion skin. Okay.
And this is the onion top.
It is the onion top. All right, let's
Yeah.
move the camera over.
The onion top is yuck.
There we go.
The onion top is yuck.
The onion top is yuck.
Yeah, really.
So here, scoot your stool over
Why?
if you want to stir.
I
Want
want
to stir? Okay, good job. Good job. Good job. Okay, and
Now
then
what do we need to add?
we need to put in some salt and some pepper and maybe a little garlic. Should we put a little garlic in it?
Yeah, where's the pepper?
I'm going to use white pepper on my vegetables, or we could use cracked black pepper. Which one do you want to do?
I want white pepper.
Okay, we're going to use white pepper.
I'm gonna do it. I want to
Okay,
do it.
but just one shake.
Okay.
That's it.
Now what one?
Then the salt.
Where's the salt?
3 shakes.
Okay.
Let's do it together. 1, 2,
2,
3. Good job.
Now what
All right.
should we do?
Now we stir it a little bit.
And after what?
And then let's put some garlic in because garlic is good. I'm going to use that garlic mix again, right? Because
Okay.
what's it called? You remember what it's called?
No.
It's called Justice. That's from Penzeys Spices, and I love it.
Can
It's got
I-
a mix of,
Can I do the first one?
you can, shallots, garlic, onion, green peppercorn, chives, and green onion, and I just love this stuff.
I want to do it.
Okay, go ahead, shake it liberally. Shake it, 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 shake it. Good job. All right.
I love that its name is Justice.
Justice. We want some justice in this world. Okay, go ahead, bud. I'm holding your arm up so you don't burn yourself. Good job. Hey, Mom's
I
turn.
use some to the side.
Yeah, I'm going to turn my heat down. And another way to do this, even though I'm trying to get them all nice and roasty, so I also want to get them all the way cooked. So I'm going to add a splash. We could either add a splash of water or lemon. What do you think we should add?
I think lemon.
Yeah, let's do a splash of lemon and then an extra
Where's
splash of
the
water.
lemon?
We're going to use bottled lemon juice.
Can I do the first one?
You can. So this is a brand I like. I like to buy organic when I can, but I do buy already squeezed
Can I?
because that saves me a lot of time, and I think the product
Wait,
is
what
lovely.
about lemonade?
Lemonade. This is good for making lemonade too. We're going to pour it in the cap. Here, hang on. Let's make this so they can see us. Hi there.
Hi there.
All right. So help me pour it in the cap. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and add that.
Wait, I wanted to do the first one.
Okay. I'm sorry, buddy. Sometimes. Okay, I got just enough water. Can you add the water?
Yeah.
All right. And that'll help to cook all the flavors in. I'm going to turn the heat back up. So just to steam them just a tiny bit and also get all the good bits off my iron pan. And that, my friends, is that. We're going to have that with our rotisserie chicken wings. And what else should we have for dinner?
How about some milk?
And some milk. You want milk?
Yeah.
Martin, do you love drinking milk?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Is that your favorite?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can we get that milk?
I think we have milk with this dinner.
Yay!
I think you could have a little bit after. Yeah. Nice, simple weeknight dinner.
No, I want the milk in dinner.
In dinner? Okay. Yeah, you can have it in dinner. Brussels sprouts from the stalk into the pan, roasted with a little bit of steaming to speed up the cooking.
Wait, can I
Nice and seasoned.
Can I get the milk?
Not right now, but we'll get it before we serve dinner, okay?
Okay.
And remember, getting your kids in the kitchen to cook with you to improve their nutrition, because that way they learn how to do it right away, and they love to eat the vegetables that they get to cook, right? Is that right? Do you like to eat them?
Yeah.
All right. Thanks so much, guys. Take care.
Wait, I want to do a video with them too.
Okay, we'll make another video soon. Say bye-bye.
Bye bye.